Number 1. The 1967 Ford Fairlane XL, priced at $8,800. The car is fairly well maintained with some components already updated. The paint is still in good condition, though there is some wear in a few areas, such as the rear bumper, which shows signs of rust or minor damage. The interior also appears original, with bucket seats that have been updated or well maintained. The car comes with a new 289 4-barrel engine, enhancing the vehicle's performance. Brake system has also been recently replaced, which is important for driving safety. Overall, this car shows potential as a classic vehicle that still holds significant value with some modern upgrades. Number 2. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 long bed, priced at $3,800, has undergone numerous upgrades that make it even more special. Powered by a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, this truck also features a 12-bolt rear axle. To improve performance, a custom air intake, Spectre cone air filter, long tube headers, and an aluminum radiator with dual cooling fans controlled by the PCM were installed. The truck's exterior is finished in indigo blue, complementing the elegant black vinyl seats. The dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers adds a cool sound. Other equipment on this vehicle includes power steering, front disc brakes, 20-inch Riddler wheels, Magawi lowering springs, CPP tubular front control arms, and LED headlights. Inside the cabin, you'll find modern features such as Dakota digital instrumentation, an IDIDIT steering column, TMI bucket seats, power windows, and an American Auto-Wire wiring harness. The climate control system is from Vintage Air. Some of the work done includes replacing the chrome bumpers and fuel lines, insulating the interior with Dynamat sound-deadening panels, repainting the truck bed with special liner material, and installing a custom audio system, CPP bed fill gas tank kit, electric window motors, seat belts, and TMI center console, door panels, and seats. Number 3. The 1965 Dodge Polara 880, priced at $5,500, is in reasonably good external condition. The front and rear of the car's body are intact with original blue paint, although there are signs of wear. The engine used is the 225/6, known for being reliable and fuel efficient. This engine appears to still be in working condition, though it requires some maintenance. The body and drivetrain are in good shape, but the car's interior needs special attention. The seller mentions that the front and rear seats are ready to be reupholstered, but the process was delayed due to health issues. This car is claimed to be a reliable classic vehicle for daily use, not a show car or race vehicle. Number 4. The 1970 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $9,000, is in very well-maintained condition. The car has all the original documents, the original 351 engine, and the original transmission. The car is said to have low mileage and has always been stored in a garage, making it rust-free. The interior is very clean with red leather seats that are still in good condition, while the exterior also looks smooth with glossy red paint and a white roof. All features of the car are said to work well, and the engine runs smoothly, indicating that this car is in prime mechanical condition. This car is suitable given its exceptional condition and rarity. Number 5. The 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire, priced at $9,000, is a classic coupe with 140,000 miles on it. The car is equipped with a 455Ci engine that has undergone a complete rebuild, ensuring optimal and reliable engine performance. The powertrain is also in excellent condition, reflecting meticulous attention to maintenance and repairs. Additionally, the suspension is new, providing comfort and stability when driving. The car's interior still features all the iconic elements and seats from that era. Overall, the car still runs very well for its age, with a shiny and neat exterior and updated mechanical components. Number 6. The 1975 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $8,500, comes with a 318 engine. The car has 130,000 miles on it, and the owner states that its condition is quite rare and very clean. The car's paint appears to be in good condition with a silver color and a burgundy roof. The interior is well maintained, featuring red fabric seats that still look very neat and clean. The engine compartment is well kept with no significant leaks or damage. The trunk area is also clean, with no signs of rust or damage. The owner states that this car is used daily and runs well, with no interest in trading it for another vehicle. Number 7. The 1964 Ford Falcon Futura, priced at $8,500. This car is light blue, with a straight body and paint that still looks shiny. The front of the car features a well-maintained chrome grille and neatly installed headlights. The car has classic wheels and a Futura emblem on the side, which is a more luxurious variant of the Ford Falcon. The rear of the car is also fitted with a shiny chrome bumper. The car's interior is still intact and clean, with light blue leather seats that match the exterior color. The dashboard and steering wheel panels also appear original and are still in good condition. This car is powered by a 260 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, but does not accept trade-ins or rentals. Number 8. The 1965 Mercury Comet, priced at $5,900, is in a condition that requires more attention from a dedicated new owner. The red paint with white stripes looks fairly good, though there are some signs of aging and use. The car's interior needs repair, especially in the rear seats, which look worn. The engine bay shows a well-maintained 202 six-cylinder engine, though some components appear dirty and worn. This car cannot exceed 50 km/h, and the kickdown, function for rapid acceleration, does not work. The engine mounts have been recently replaced, showing that some maintenance has been done. This car clearly needs attention from an enthusiast or mechanic looking to start a new restoration project. Number 9. The 1962 Mercury Meteor, priced at $8,000, is a black two-door coupe model. The car's interior has been restored with a fresh look, featuring a red and black color combination that appears fresh and well-maintained. The engine looks clean and well-kept, indicating that mechanical components like spark plug wires and other parts are in good condition. The car's tires are only a year old, suggesting that the car is still reliable for daily use. All features in the car function normally, though there are slight imperfections on the exterior body, which might require minor attention. Number 10. The 1979 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $10,000, is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained. The car comes in a platinum and charcoal exterior color combination with well-kept gray leather interior. The engine is powered by a 403 Ci V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and limited slip differential, showing that this car is built for high performance. The interior features a sporty steering wheel, classic instrument panel, and rear seats embroidered with the iconic Trans Am logo. Overall, this car is in great condition in terms of exterior, interior, and engine. Number 11. The 1976 Pontiac Grand Le Mans, priced at $9,000, is equipped with a 400 PC V8 engine and automatic transmission. The odometer shows a mileage of 70,000 miles. The car appears to be in good condition with original paint and has never been used during the winter. The car's interior is well preserved, featuring clean and well-maintained red seats. The engine bay is slightly dusty, but everything is intact and functioning. The trunk contains a spare tire and some tools. The car is equipped with full features, including AC and electric windows. There are no significant signs of damage on the exterior or interior, making it a ready-to-drive vehicle without requiring additional inspection. Number 12. The 1971 Lincoln Continental, priced at $2,300, is equipped with a 7.4L 460 engine with Dove cylinder heads, producing 366 RP. The car is still in running condition, starts easily, and operates without issues. Several modifications have been made, including the installation of a Holley double pumper carburetor, replacement of spark plugs and wires, and carburetor tuning. The car has no rust on the floor or trunk, though there is some minor rust around the rear fender, which is not significant and does not affect structural integrity. The interior is in very good condition, featuring luxury options such as power seats, windows, and locks, an auto-adjusting mirror, and automatic dimming headlights. The rear lights use fiber optics, and the rear window can also be operated by power. This car offers an outstanding ride, with very smooth suspension and precise steering. Number 13. The 1973 Mercury Marquis Brougham, priced at $10,000, features a 4-door hardtop design with seating for 6 passengers. The vehicle has an odometer reading of 41,000 miles. The 460 engine was rebuilt 900 miles ago in 2023, with the C6 transmission also refurbished in 2022. The interior, including the seats, door panels, headliner, and dash pad, has been updated. The vinyl roof was newly installed in the same year. The MagnaFlow exhaust was replaced this year, and a RetroSound Bluetooth radio has been added. The car is equipped with 20-inch D-Town Detroit steel wheels and 2022 white wall tires. The suspension and steering system were also renewed in 2024. The air conditioning system functions fully after conversion, and the power window motors were repaired. The original paint is in good, although not perfect, condition, and it received a nano-ceramic treatment 5 years ago. However, there is an issue with the headlights, which tend to pop up after a few hours when the car is turned off. The car runs well and is regularly driven weekly, drawing attention wherever it goes. Number 14. The 1960 Chevy Biscayne, priced at $8,500, is in excellent condition. It is powered by a 235 inline-six engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, and the odometer shows 46,000 miles, certified in March 2024, with an additional 275 miles driven since then. The car also features new white wall tires installed in June 2023. All features are in working order, including the original radio that has been updated with Sirius XM. This Chevy model is the last year of production with large rear fins, making it an appealing choice for collectors. The car is claimed to run and drive well. Number 15. The 1965 Buick Regal, priced at $4,800, is in good condition, though showing some signs of age. The exterior has been repainted in a glossy dark blue, still in good shape, and the front retains its dual headlights and intact chrome grille. The interior is simple, yet well maintained, with gray leather seats that show minor repairs. The floor carpet appears slightly worn, but the dashboard and steering wheel remain functional. Although there hasn't been a recent mechanical inspection, the owner mentions that the car still runs well, considering its age. This vehicle features the original V6 Fireball engine, indicating that it's not a muscle car, but more suited for leisurely drives. The car has potential for a project or further modification. Thank you for today, because I will always make you happy with an affordable car.